Hello guys. Now one thing that you could say that I'm begging, but if you would like to help me, maybe subscribe, because if I get 50 subscribers I can go live afterwards and I can talk languages with you and you with me. Maybe someone here wants to practice their language skills, and it's more of like speaking. I have to hiccup, so forgive me. Like maybe we can even go. There's like a thing, do it live stream, so to call it. But if that doesn't work, we can always just write, or I speak and you write. You get it. So guys, if you want to help me, thank you very much and bye bye.